Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Hassaan's world. Today I will be making a sandwich and tell you how to make it very nicely. The best way to make a sandwich is like this. First, the ingredients that you need are 2 slices of bread, some tomato ketchup, and some tomatoes, a patty, a bit of lettuce, and some mayonnaise. The first step is to cut all the sides of the bread, and then you have to put ketchup on one piece of the bread, and then on the other one you have to put mayonnaise, and then you have to put a patty on a piece, and put some tomatoes as decoration, and some more taste, and also add some lettuce, and voila, the sandwich is made. Enjoy this with your loved ones and friends on rainy days, and have fun, and get your hunger finished. Thank you. And if you like this video, then please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your loved ones for more videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.